What is PIP? Personal Injury Protection. This is part of your insurance policy. It is a no-fault portion of your policy, and it is mandatory under Oregon law. We're pretty close to Washington. If you happen to be in Washington and are watching this, it is not mandatory in Washington, though you have to properly waive PIP coverage in writing if you have a Washington policy. So in Oregon, the minimum coverage amount is $15,000 or 2 years. This is what you should use to pay for all medical bills if you are in a car accident, at least until it runs out. This is true whether or not you were the victim of a car crash or you're the one that caused the car crash. This will pay for your medical care either way. In addition to medical care, this portion of your policy will pay for lost wages or household services. So for the lost wages portion, in order to access it, you have to be taken off work by a doctor for at least 14 days. If they place you on light duty and your work doesn't offer light duty, that's good enough to trigger it so long as it's for 14 days or more. The compensation that you can receive through your PIP benefits is up to 70% of your income for 70% of your income up to $3,000 a month, and typically the benefit period is 52 weeks. Now, you're saying 70%, that's not all of my income, but 70% now is better than waiting until your claim is over and getting all of the 100% from the other side. Eventually, you'll get the other 30% of the money from the at-fault party's insurance company. If you don't have a job and your primary duty is taking care of your household, a homemaker, the insurance company will pay up to $30 a day for essential services if you can't perform them. Lawn care, cleaning, cooking, that kind of thing. In certain cases, you might also be eligible for child care. There are some special situations. If you are a pedestrian or a cyclist and you don't have your own car insurance, if you are a pedestrian or a cyclist and you're hit by another car and you have car insurance, you can use your PIP. If you don't have PIP, it would be your medical coverage. Your health insurance would be the primary coverage for your medical benefits. However, the at-fault driver's PIP benefits would be secondary to that, meaning that it would cover any co-pays, out-of-pocket expenses, deductibles, things that weren't covered by your insurance policy. If you are a passenger, the PIP of the car that you are riding in is primary, and then when that runs out, you can actually use the PIP from your car if you have a policy. For more information, please contact our office and we would be happy to help you with your personal injury claim.